What if I tell you that the biggest reason you are not successful in your life is not the lack of money, talent, or opportunities? It's procrastination. Yes, the biggest problem in your life is procrastination. That is, delaying of work by giving false excuses. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Advitya Sen. And if you are new here, I help you break fear, build confidence, and take action towards success. So if you are ready to break procrastination and start working, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Let's directly get into the whole reason of procrastination. So, procrastination basically means delaying of work, neglecting it, and postponing it by giving false excuses. You want to do this work, okay, but you are not able to do because you are delaying it. You are saying that okay, not today, I will do it tomorrow, not tomorrow, I will do day after tomorrow, and so on. By doing this, you are not just delaying your work but also creating trust issues and delaying success as well. Okay, so if you are telling yourself that I am going to do this tomorrow, you should do it by tomorrow or at some time. But we often leads to not doing it, which results in loss of trust in yourself. This is the first step of creating trust issue in yourself. You keep saying excuses until you reach a point where you completely abandon that work because of lack of confidence and creating trust issues in yourself. If you are truly intent to do something, just do it without delaying because that will help you build trust and get confidence in future. Okay, you do not have to start all at once, rather take small steps and start doing, because beginning is harder and efforts are needed. Because beginning is harder and requires efforts, and we all have to do efforts to get what we want. Next time when you plan something that okay, I'm going to do this by tomorrow, please do it by tomorrow. Okay, don't do all things at once if you are not capable, rather you start it. Okay, so next time if you have planned something to do, either it's homework, household chores or anything, just do it without neglecting it, okay, and giving false excuses. At least start, because starting is way more better than procrastination. And don't let it for future because you are not going to do it in future. See, procrastination seems harmless, but it slowly destroys you. It slowly it slowly destroys your trust and creates trust issues. Every time you delay something, you are not just delaying your work, you are delaying your success with it. See, successful people do not wait for the right movement, they take action. Okay, and you have to also start taking action rather than waiting for the right time, because right time thing does not exist in real world, and you have to understand that. So why we all procrastinate? That's the question we all should ask ourselves, that why we procrastinate, but we often neglect that as well. See, we are humans and it's human tendency to be fear of everything. We have fear of failure. Yes, as humans, we all have a fear of failure. We don't even try and we think that we are going to fail and mess up everything. अरे फर्स्ट यू एटलीस्ट ट्राई ना, रिजल्ट्स का बाद में देखा जाएगा. एटलीस्ट यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग फॉर दैट गोल और aim that you have thought in your mind and you want to actually work for it. So why you are thinking about failure? Hmm? The second thing is lack of motivation. We often wait for the right time, even though we know that right time thing does not exist in real world. We wait for the right movement to happen so that we can work. See, right time is when you start working without thinking it twice and without any hesitation, without thinking about fear of failure. When you start working, it's your right time. Okay, you have to create that right movement. And how you can create? By not procrastinating it. And the third thing is big tasks. We often think big, but we avoid it because of no motivation, because of no right time thing. If you have thought big, okay, if you have thought big, convert into small steps and take one step after other. Okay, you do not have to do all at once, but rather you take small steps and do your work. See, Zig Ziglar said very amazing quote, and I would like to repeat that you do not have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Okay? Meaning you have to accept the challenges and start taking action towards it rather than wasting your time for waiting for the perfect time. Think about this quote. we we came to know about procrastination, its meaning, its causes, and how it is dangerous to our life. So what are the solution of not procrastinating? The first and foremost thing we can do to not procrastinate is taking action. You have thought something, you write it down. Okay, that will help you as well. And the second is 5-second rule. Okay, what you have to do is take a deep breath, and in your mind you have to count like 4 5 4 3 2 1, and you have to say whatever you want to say. Okay, if you are not going to take action, you are not going to break the procrastination thing. Okay, first thing first, to break procrastination is taking action, and I told you about the 5-second rule, that how you can do that. See, I always do this. For if I have to say something to my parents or anyone, and anyone which is a urgent thing, and I am unable to speak because of fear, I would count from 5 to 1 in my mind, and I will say that. Okay, I do this, and it actually works. So you, why not you all can do that? The third thing is, as I all as I already told you, that if you have big tasks, then convert into small steps and take one step after other, for not having that burden and havoc in life. Okay, the most amazing thing, set deadlines, that okay, if I'm not going to do this by this timing and this date, then I'm not going to do it ever. And this will create a pressure that yes, I have to do this work by this time only. And the last thing is, after doing your work, reward yourself. And this is the most amazing thing, I guess, that rewarding yourself, because it helps to create trust in yourself. Inner child feels like yes, you are on a right path now. Now you are not going to hurt your inner child by neglecting it. Understand? So if you did your today's task that you were procrastinating and you did it today, reward yourself. Not at all, I'm not telling you to go to the pub and bar and drink and all that. Small reward is enough for that. Take a bite of Kit Kat or any whatever you want, or a drink, soft drink I'm talking about. You want to take anything and just reward yourself, that yeah, feel happy that you did it. The basic meaning is that only, that you have to feel happy after doing it. So these were few points how you can break the procrastination. Okay, or the final thing I would like to say is, do not wait for the right time to occur. Right time is when you start working for it. Okay, now pick one task that you have been delaying it for so long and do it today. Okay, at least start and come back to this video and write done in comment section. I would be so happy to see that I actually did a kind of help to you all. Okay, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more motivation video. And your dreams are waiting for you, ठीक है? But it is not going to wait for you forever. So take action now. You have time. I am with you. You are with yourself. Bye.